Samsung Galaxy S9 has this one major problem. Are you affected? Samsung Galaxy S9 and S9 Plus fans been reporting one major problem with the flagship phone since its much anticipated launch. Samsung fans have finally got their hands on the Galaxy S9 and S9 Plus, with the Android smartphone launching last week. The Galaxy S9 and S9 Plus was released to rave reviews, with critics especially enamored with the larger phone's dual-camera setup. However, just a week after the S9 and S9 Plus's launch, fans have been reporting issues with the device's touchscreen. Reports have emerged on Reddit as well as Samsung forums from fans claiming their phone has a dead zone. This is where, according to owners, the Galaxy S9's screen does not register any kind of touch activity. In one Samsung forum post, a user wrote, "Does anyone else have issues with the Galaxy S9 touchscreen? I've got a few dead spots on the bottom half of my screen. Getting a replacement phone shipped, but do wonder if it is bad luck or a more common issue with the phone." To which one owner responded, "I have a dead spot at the top left of my phone, S9 Plus. It works sometimes and then won't work." And another added, "My S9 has dead spots as well, right out of the box. Actually a dead strip that runs horizontal next to the bottom volume button." Videos and GIFs of the issue have also been posted online, with one clip showing an S9 user trying to draw multiple lines to test the issue out. Despite dragging their finger across the length of the screen, the S9 repeatedly appears to not register activity in the middle of the device. Samsung have responded to the claims, with a spokesperson telling CNET that they are investigating the issues. They said, "At Samsung, customer satisfaction is core to our business and we aim to deliver the best possible experience. We are looking into a limited number of reports of Galaxy S9/S9 Plus touchscreen responsiveness issues. We are working with affected customers and investigating. We encourage any customer with questions to contact us directly at 1-800 Samsung." Android police reported that users have been reporting the dead zone issues in different areas of the Samsung Galaxy S9's screen. Some users have had issues towards the top of the screen, while others have found areas towards the bottom are not registering inputs. A few people have managed to counteract the dead zone issue by increasing the touchscreen sensitivity. While one S9 fan said carrying out a factory reset resolved the issue.